Hey man, I'm all about it.
I know, man. You got this song. Oh, there's Simon. How are you?
I'm fine, bro.
Oh, too bad. I'm sorry about that. Don't worry. You should be doing better by now. You got it, Toyota.
We didn't feel like trying. She did.
We have people all the way from Sweden.
You do?
Yeah. All the way from Sweden. Yeah. All the way from Sweden. Chris over here. Yeah.
What about that man over there?
You're from Sweden too?
You bet.
Norway. Well, let's not cross bridges here.
To me, it's the same. You know, it's like
My grandfather was Sweden. And he had meatballs.
That's good. That's a good thing.
I think the smorgasbord is better.
Well, I agree with you.
All you can eat? Thank you.
Yeah.
Terrible. I've never been to Sweden, but I know it's a nice place to visit.
that's my guess. I'm telling you.
Who's from Norway?
He's from Norway.
I've played in Ålesund, and I've played in Oslo, and I've been up the fjord all the way through Ålesund up there. Toured there a couple times. It's lovely. I just got back from Germany actually. And, I took a band over to Norway for a tour, and
Yes, I left the camera folded.
Well, I don't know. Down there, maybe. I'll tell you, you know what they do to Falmouth balloon. I'll tell you, I put her in the back of the squad car. I tell you, she sucks and sound the other side. Oh, boy, I'll tell you, Aunt B likes to watch. Oh, boy, sorry, Aunt B.
Okay, Chris, you got that Grandmasters?
We got a lot of when Chris showed up.
I showed up.
Yeah, you showed up.
I don't even know I'm here.
Well, that's okay.
Chris, he's an original.
I know you. I can tell.
He's an original.
I can tell.
Well, I can't help it. They broke the mold.
Well, that's too
They
bad.
tried to clone me.
Yeah, but I think the world can only take one of you. Couldn't it?
that's
Yeah, that's
Hey, what's happening, everybody? Nikki? Where's Nikki?
wait for
Nobody cares.
boss man.
I mean, he's over there. Just kidding, Mickey. Where you are.
I'm always. First of all, I'm hot flash with concerts.
Yeah,
And you had 150 degrees on top of that.
Care about how you think that microphone might get turned on. I never saw Mike Hank so good.
Yeah. I don't want to hear more about it.
Somebody castrated poor Mike. He's just hanging there with nothing.
I have an hour for that thing.
You should.
Have a little counter on
Wait,
it.
no, $2
Like
an hour.
$2
Come
an
on,
hour,
$2
like a
an
taxi
hour.
cab. Just
Not to
start
be
the,
hot.
start the clock.
Yeah. No, it's $5 as long as you're on stage.
Let me know when you can hear yourself in that monitor.
Limited to one monitor.
Now, am I listening just from the monitor?
I'll turn up the house just so you can listen to the monitor. So go for it.
I think you're just doing that because
Yeah, the monitor sounds
one
good.
guy.
Okay.
Yeah, doesn't it, Nikki?
Now we got the house on.
All right, check. 1, 2.
Do you want any ring?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yes.
Would you like some things?
This is love. Yeah, the reverb sounds good. Cool. Hey, how's it sound out there, everybody? China? Honey? Looks sound okay? Right on. I think that'll work.
Alrighty.
Okay, Chris, if you want to come up.
Whoever's next,
Oh,
I
look,
can
you
start.
the bass rig on.
I don't know this is my latest.
God bless.
And you might need to
Hey, Simon, could you run and give me some more Coke?
Okay, there we go.
Sounds good.
Let me get a mix for the.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. This is love. This is love, 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 love.
Oh, you want to do it all together? Okay. That's what I thought.
This is love.
Alright, sounds good. Is that enough?
Sounds good out here.
Cool.
We're good. Thank you very much.
Right on.
Maybe.